you have a truck like this or you're interested in getting a lift kit installed here at FASS Motorsports, check this out because Don is going to transform this truck and surprise this customer's son. All right guys, so if you're watching at this point in the video, you know that this F-250 just got upgraded here. We did a 6-inch BDS lift kit. We did radius arms in the front. We did a single steering stabilizer. We indexed the transfer case. It was still a little tooted, so we added a 1-inch block and we added an add-a-leaf. So that really helped it give it that nice stance that we were looking for. So thank you guys for watching this video. We do this stuff every single day here at FASS Motorsports. So if you want something like this truck or you just have questions about something, give us a call or visit us at fassmotorsports.com, or you can even stop in at 25 Town and Country Drive in Washington, Missouri.